Hello everyone, welcome to Root to Mathematics. In this video, going to solve this interesting equation. So here we have given if x plus y equals to 1 and our second equation is xy equals to 1, then find the value of x and y. Okay, so here we have given two equations and we are asked to find the unknown variables x and y. Okay, so let's just start the solution. Now, so our first equation is x plus y equals to 1. Let's just take it as equation 1 and xy equals to 1. And this is our second equation. Okay. Here I will use substitution method in order to find the value of x and y. Okay. So from equation 2 we have xy equals to 1. So this implies is we can write x equals to 1 by y. Okay. Now in the next step, I'll substitute the value of x in equation 1. Now by substituting, we have x plus y equals to 1 can be written as 1 by y plus y equals to 1. Okay. This implies this. Now taking LCM, we have 1 plus y square divided by y equals to 1. Now this implies this 1 plus y square equals to y. Okay. Now taking this y to the left hand side, we have y square minus y plus 1 equals to 0. So here we have a quadratic equation. Simply we need to apply the quadratic formula in order to find the value of y. Before finding the value of y, I want to just show another way of substitution. That is, here we have taken equation 2. If I take equation 1, so from equation 1 we have x plus y equals to 1. Simply we can write x equals to 1 minus y. Now I will substitute value of x in equation 2. Now from equation 2 we have x y equals to 1. Simply we will put the value of x as 1 minus y here. So this implies is 1 minus y multiplied with y equals to 1. This implies is y minus y square equals to 1. Okay, this implies is I'll take this one to the left hand side. So y minus y square minus 1 equals to 0. Now multiplying minus 1 both sides of the equation, we can write y square minus y plus 1 equals to 0. So the same quadratic equation we are getting, we get the quadratic equation. So I just want to say you can use either of the substitution to find the quadratic equation. Okay. Now here I'll use quadratic formula. So we know that quadratic formula is y equals to minus b plus or minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Okay. So from this quadratic equation, the coefficient a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to 1. Okay, let's just put the value of a, b, c in the quadratic formula. So this implies this y equals to 1 plus or minus root under 1 minus 4 multiplied with 1 multiplied with, here we have a multiplied with 1 divided by 2 multiplied with 1. Okay, so this implies this y equals to 1 plus or minus root under 1 minus 4 divided by 2. This implies this y equals to 1 plus or minus root under minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, this implies this y equals to 1 plus or minus root minus 3 can be written as root minus 1 multiplied with root 3 divided by 2. As you know that root under minus 1 is nothing but the imaginary value I. So we'll replace this root under minus 1 as I. So y equals to 1 plus or minus I root 3 divided by 2. Here we got two solutions for y. that is y equals to 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2, and let this one be y1 and this one is y2. So here we have 1 by 2 minus I root 3 divided by 2. As you have two equation, you can use any one of the equation to find the value of x. Okay, so I'll use equation 1 to find the value of x. So from equation 1, we have x plus y equals to 1. Okay, so this implies is x equals to 1 minus y. Now this implies is x equals to 1 minus, I'll find the x1 first. So I'll put the value of y1, that is 1 by 2 plus I root 3 divided by 2. Okay, so this implies is x1 equals to 1 minus 1 by 2 minus I root 3 divided by 2. Okay, as this one is the imaginary value, we will subtract the real value with the real value. So x1 equals to 1 by 2 minus I root 3 divided by 2. So here we have one solution of x. Now for x2, here we have 1 minus y2 is, we know that 1 by 2 minus I root 3 divided by 2. Okay, so this equals to 1 minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 divided by 2. So this equals to 1 by 2. The solution for x and y equals to 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2, and 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2, comma 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2. So these are the solution of x and y. I hope you have understood the solution. If you have any other method, please write in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.